Hey there. So, if you are a real estate agent and you are wanting to track your commission for the year, this is a wonderful Google Sheet to use. This has three tabs, and then I'm going to show you how to use this sheet. First of all, there are instructions. Once I'm done with this sheet, there will be a link to the YouTube video right here. And then you can click on the dashboard. This will show your total commission for the year, your net commission. So this net commission would be how much commission you made minus any referral fees you had to pay. The total number of sales in, say if you sold a house, you sold it for $500,000, you sold another one for $500,000, your total sales would be $1 million. And then that's the total number of customers. This will show you the commission that you've earned per quarter. Second quarter looks like you did the best. Third quarter, you did the best. And this is annually. I would make a copy of this, for every year that you're using it, or change it and delete it out at the beginning of the next year so that you know. And then this is the percentage of commission that you've earned per quarter. So you can see that most of it right now is Q2. This is actually your commission tracker. This again will show the total amount of sales you've had. So if you have, so we'll just delete this out quick. So right now we're starting at 0. If you sold one house for $100,000, your total sales is $100,000. If your commission rate is say 5%, then on this one house, your total commission for the year is $5,000. Your net is incorrect. Hold on, let me figure out what's wrong. Oh, it's these. I see. Okay. 0. So then your net commission for the year is $5,000. If you sold 2 houses, then now your net commission is going to be $15,000. But if you start having to do referral fees, so say if you have to give $500 of a referral for each one, then now your net for the year is $14,000. So it's adding up both of these in each one. So kind of went a little bit around the board to tell you. Now we're going to go to line 1. So this is where you're going to put your client's name, John Doe, property address, and then the quarter. So say this is Q1. Closing date was the 8th. On Google Sheets, you can double click in this and then choose the date. And if you're using the Excel version, that is not available. And again, you can put the sold price. So say you sold it for $500,000. Your commission rate is 3%. You have no referral fees, and now your net commission is $15,000. If you got paid your commission, you would just check it off. And then if you got paid your commission, you would just put the date that you paid or paid, and then any notes here. If you have the Excel version, it's going to look a little different. Differences will be there will not be a double click to do the date. That's only available in Google Sheets. So you'll just have to put your date manually. And then the commission paid instead of the checkboxes, because my Excel version doesn't offer that, you would just put an X. So it works just the same. You can say, yes, I got paid or didn't get paid. So that's how the sheet works. And again, everything is going to come over here and be visible on this page. The total number of customers is going to add up as we have clients. So say if we delete that out, your customers are going to be visible here based on that. The number is irrelevant. It doesn't really add up anything. So if you didn't like what I did, you're welcome to change it. So if this is your sheet, you've made a copy of it, you can make a change. So you can, if you wanted to change the title here, you can. You just highlight it and change the title. If you wanted to add another column, something else you wanted to remember, right click it, insert column to the right, and then you've got, say birthday. I don't know. Some people want to remember their clients' birthdays. Some people have other things they want to do. If you wanted to mess with the formulas, you're more than welcome to. I would just make a copy of the original just in case that you make a mistake and you're not happy with what you've done. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com. All of these sheets are available on savvyandthriving.com. And I hope You have a good day. Last thing I wanted to tell you is I do have a full real estate bundle available. So if you wanted to manage your income expenses, if you want a CRM, if you want a task checklist, if you want anything else, I've got a whole bunch of other sheets available on my website. So that's it for real.